Welcome to Landman Central's tutorial on export billing to Paychex.
To export a billing report formatted for Paychex, first we're going to set up a Paychex ID for your connections. To do this, navigate to the left side menu, under Settings, select My Connections. Find the connection you want to set an ID for, then click the tab Your Relationship With. Here you will find a field for the ID for this connection. This ID value will be exported on the connection breakdown Excel sheet, which we will show how to generate next. We're going to navigate to the billing dashboard. We're going to click on the tab for past reports. Then we're going to select a work owner profile for which to export a previously generated report. Find the report you want to export, right-click and click View Details. This screen shows a variety of options for exporting different data. We're going to export the connection breakdown. You will be prompted to download a Microsoft Excel worksheet. Upon opening this worksheet, you will notice a column that says ID. This ID column helps import your data into Paychex's system.